All right, if you're in Chicago and you're a huge fan of the Avett Brothers or 70s classic rock, then you absolutely have to check out this amazing collection from Sophia's estate sale, kicking off Saturday up in Wilmette. If you're a serious record collector, this is the sale you absolutely do not want to miss. Quick backstory: the owner of this collection was a DJ back in college, and he clearly developed some seriously good taste. Some of the records have definitely seen some use, but many of them are in absolutely mint condition, including both the sleeve and the disc. There's a ton of great music here, including some seriously rare records, as well as some really interesting bootlegs. The homeowners are also huge fans of the Avett Brothers and have a pretty awesome collection of posters and other memorabilia. But if for some reason music isn't your thing, there's a ton of other great estate sale finds at this sale. From the vintage Pyrex in the kitchen, hand-painted ceramics and dishware, Johnson china, and this gorgeous collection of vintage glassware and other fantastic decor, as well as sports memorabilia, clothing, shoes, and even a fully kitted out workshop in the basement. This sale definitely has something for everyone. So be sure and check out Sophia's estate sales starting on Saturday. And as always, follow Picardy as we explore the best estate sales.